Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to my session today. My name is Juntae DeLane, founder and chief strategist at Digital Delaine. And today we'll discuss driving more revenue from managed social media services using Agorapulse. Now, in the recent years, many digital marketing agencies have faced significant declines in revenue. And this downturn can be attributed to various factors, including increased competition, evolving client expectations, and the rapid pace of technological advancements. And as traditional revenue streams become less reliable, agencies must find an innovative way to boost their income and sustain growth. Now, the bottom line here is clients are becoming more demanding, expecting higher ROIs and more comprehensive services without a corresponding increase in budget. Now, a great way to counteract these challenges is to invest in technologies that enhance the effectiveness of your social media campaign. Now, our agency uses Agorapulse to manage all of our social media clients. Each new feature added to the platform essentially allows us to expand our service offerings and add additional upsells to increase revenue. During times of decreased revenue, as agency owners, we must embrace innovation and adapt to the changing landscape. Digital marketing agencies can not only survive, but thrive in an increasingly competitive market space. And in this session, I'll dive into specific strategies Digital Delaine uses to increase agency revenue in today's dynamic environment. Now, just to let you know a little bit more about me, I started my marketing career as a DJ, helping local bands and artists to build an online following back in the day when MySpace was the dominant social network. I have over 20 years experience in digital marketing, and it's certainly a lifestyle for me, including being a private pilot. Currently, I am the founder and chief strategist of Digital Delaine, and we are a full service digital marketing agency focused on bringing new brands, ideas, and campaigns to life. We've been in business for over 8 years, and we are 100% private and minority owned with a dedicated team of 14 employees, and we're serving over 35 clients. Now, in this session, I designed it specifically for account managers and agency owners who want to increase revenue and add value for their clients through enhanced social media strategies. Now, our goals for today is simple. We want to define features of Agorapulse that can help increase revenue. We want to showcase use cases and top strategies for leveraging these features and give you a glimpse of what currently is working in social media for our agency. Now, our approach to social media includes integrating advanced campaigns into our social media marketing program, monitoring channels to engage with audiences, implementing strategic content, and using analytics to drive actionable insights. And we also focus on community management to build deeper customer relationships. Now, our social media management at Digital Delaine is designed for efficiency and effectiveness. We use a shared content calendar for transparency and timely approvals, an approval system to maintain content control, and automated publishing to ensure consistent posting. And we actively monitor social media channels for real-time engagement, analyze campaign results for insights, and focus on community management to build better customer relationships, and of course, brand advocates. Now, these features provide comprehensive support from content creation to engagement and analysis, ultimately driving better results and higher ROI for our clients. These are our key main features that we offer for social media. And I must say, Agorapulse plays an integral role in our social media management. Now, we use it for scheduling and automating content publishing, ensuring consistent and timely posting schedules. In Agorapulse, we leverage their listening features as it allows us to track relevant keywords, phrases, hashtags, and so on. It also enables us to engage with potential clients and monitor their competitor activity. Now, the platform's reporting features provides detailed analytics on engagement metrics, ultimately helping us to demonstrate the ROI of our social media efforts. Additionally, we leverage its advocacy campaign features to amplify reach and impact of client campaigns. And Agorapulse really helps us deliver excellent results by streamlining our process and providing valuable insights for continuous improvement. Now, our social media management process involves a structured content marketing calendar for planning, an approval system for client posts, automated publishing. And I love this because it ensures that seamless, efficient workflow for our social media campaigns. So all the client can be privy to all the content that we're posting on their behalf and provide some insight and recommendations on the client's behalf before those posts even go out. Now, one of the main features of Agorapulse we use to increase revenue is its social listening feature. Now, we essentially use it for social selling capabilities. Social selling involves using Agorapulse to find, connect with, and nurture prospects. And setting up this tool for social listening, we can identify potential buyers on behalf of our clients. We can engage with them with personalized responses and convert leads into customers. This process includes real-time alerts, daily reviews, and a robust tagging system. We leverage this feature as our social CRM to track and engage with potential customers. By monitoring conversations around relevant keywords, phrases, and hashtags, we can identify leads and categorize them using tags. This tagging system helps us keep track of potential customers, allowing us to organize and prioritize follow-up engagements on behalf of our clients. So with Agorapulse, we ensure no valuable conversation slips through the cracks, enabling us to nurture relationships and convert prospects into loyal customers effectively. To use Agorapulse social listening features to increase your revenue via social media management, focus on getting team members trained on this feature. You also want to set up relevant keywords related to your client offerings, track competitor mentions, and identify potential gaps to fill. Utilizing the social media feature effectively enables us to proactively engage with potential clients, address their needs, and convert them into satisfied customers. This process not only enhances our sales pipeline, but it also strengthens our brand presence and client relationships. Next is the advocacy campaigns. Now, I love this feature because it helps to effectively coordinate mass publishing of promotional content. So, if you ever produced an event and needed everyone involved to promote, it's like wrangling cats. But by setting up an advocacy campaign in Agorapulse, we can identify potential advocates, create engaging content, and track the success of those campaigns. This not only helps in upselling event promotion services, but also enhances brand reach. At Digital Delaine, we create advocacy campaigns to leverage clients' satisfied customers as brand ambassadors, helping them to promote their services and events. And we start by identifying customers who have had positive experiences and have a strong social media presence. Personalized invitations are sent, inviting them to participate in the campaign. We provide them with pre-crafted content, including event details, special offers, and visuals to share on their platforms. By empowering our advocates with easy-to-use sharing tools and campaign-specific hashtags, we amplify our reach and drive more event registrations. The strategy not only increases event visibility, but also serves as an upsell opportunity. Ultimately, this will add additional value to our clients and boost their revenue. To use Agorapulse advocacy campaign features to increase your revenue via social media management, you must focus on getting your team members trained on this feature. Identify clients with upcoming events that would benefit from additional promotion, then try to upsell that client with the advocacy campaign. Next is their robust reporting feature. Although they have a granular reporting dashboard, we particularly like their community management reporting. It allows us to track proactive engagement from within our own team. Now, the tracking includes monitoring social mentions, inbox messages, hashtags, and keywords. These reporting features allow us to track these engagements, generate detailed reports, and analyze data to improve our strategies. We even developed these reports for clients as proof of our proactive and reactive engagement. Utilizing Agorapulse reporting feature effectively enables Digital Delaine to track and measure the success of proactive engagement activities. This structured approach ensures that all interactions with inbox messages, hashtags, keywords are all monitored, analyzed, and optimized to improve engagement strategies and demonstrate value to our clients. And we recommend getting everyone who's involved with proactive and reactive engagement for your agency a seat on this platform. Use the report as an auditing tool and tie that report into your team members' performance reviews. Now let's move on to our next feature, social media ROI. Now, this measures the return on investment from social media activities. So by setting up an Agorapulse for ROI tracking, we can monitor engagement metrics, calculate revenue attribution, and generate detailed reports. Now, this helps in demonstrating and increasing the revenue generated from social media efforts. At Digital Delaine, we utilize Agorapulse's social ROI feature to demonstrate the tangible benefits of our social media efforts to clients. We start by setting clear revenue and engagement goals tied to social media activities. Through this detailed tracking of key performance indicators such as click-through rates or conversion rates or engagement metrics, we can ultimately attribute revenue directly to our social media campaigns. And Agorapulse allows us to generate comprehensive reports that visualize these metrics, essentially making it easier for clients to see the financial impact. And by showcasing these results, we not only validate the effectiveness of our strategies, but also build trust and justify the continued investment of our services. So, to use Agorapulse social media ROI features to increase your revenue via social media management, you want to set clear revenue goals tied to social media activities. And you want to track the total cost of the service features to ensure your client is profitable. So if you're tired of the burn and churn, rotating door of social media clients, be sure to leverage the social media ROI feature to retain more clients. So to recap, I talked about our social media approach and how we use Agorapulse and its important role that it plays in our social media management. I talked about how Agorapulse's social listening features enables us to engage with potential clients and monitor competitor activity. I outlined how the advocacy campaign is used to amplify reach and impact of client campaigns. And I ended with how the platform's reporting feature provides detailed analytics on engagement metrics, which ultimately helps us demonstrate the ROI of our social media efforts. All right. So I appreciate you listening to this talk, and I hope that you would take heed to some of the recommendations because as agency owners, we must embrace innovation and adapt to the changing landscape, especially during decreased times of revenue. And I hope you follow some of the recommendations presented in this talk because it worked for us, and I know it can work for you. If you'd like to connect with me or partner up, please feel free to contact me via email or on social media. Well, that's all for now. Thank you.